In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram disabled account. Let's get started. First, try logging in again and carefully read the full message. Instagram usually tells you whether your account was disabled for breaking community guidelines or if it was a security-related suspension. If you see an option like Learn More or Request Review, tap it immediately because that's the official appeal process. Next, you can submit an appeal through the app or the Instagram Help Center. Launch the preferred browser, type in help.instagram.com. Once you're in this page, here you're going to find this box. Here, type in Instagram disabled accounts and search for it. Now, here you're going to find solutions related to it. Now, you can contact Instagram support team. Here, you're going to find this section of Meta AI support assistant. Over here, type in my account was disabled and send it. With that, you're going to get the reply from Instagram support team. Now, you can have conversation with Instagram help support. Just explain about the issue in detail that your account has been disabled even though you haven't violated any guidelines. Then you can send it. Instagram might ask you the username, likewise profile link, and other details. You'll need to provide all of that and send it. Now Instagram will review your account. So that's it for this video. This way you are able to recover your Instagram account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.